All right, you guys. So if you guys have a Samsung digital, if you guys want to have one of these refrigerators that are very hard to clean when stuff gets stuck in the middle, right here, I'm gonna give you a hack that's gonna save your life, baby. Okay, pay attention. Okay. All right. So you guys know how right here it's hell, and if you know how hard it is getting this thing off, we gotta push it up, twist this, pop this, all that crazy stuff. It's ridiculous. Okay. So number one, what you're gonna do is there was, like, you see how there's stuff inside the crevice of here. What you do is you take a spray bottle like this. I got this one for $1 at what is that, Walmart. You're gonna take some hot water, as hot as you can stand it, damn near boiling, and you're gonna take some bleach. You don't even want to boil it because it'll melt this little thing in there, but get it really, really hot. And you're gonna take some bleach, pour it in, and then you'll go where you see it. So all this had brown stuff all the way around, right? So what you do is you take it, because it has like a super power point to it. Let me zoom in so you guys can see it. And you just shoot in there. You shoot all around. See that? It just shoots it right on out. Oh shit. The shit facing me. God damn it. Okay, here we go. Okay. You see, I know that's not at the top. So we'll take our spray gun, keep it on a straight stream. Watch. Fire. Fire. Out like butter, baby. Go all the way across. Then when it comes to right here in this area, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So for these type of areas right here, you want to get the thinnest card that you own, credit card, MasterCard, whatever you got. I use the Cinemark card. Sometimes I'll even grab a gift card. I just go across, just like this. For this area. You know, it's hard to do it with a camera in my damn hand, but can't got nobody to help me.